Question 371. How do you measure the success of a collaborative project? Measuring the success of a collaborative project involves both quantitative and qualitative metrics. I track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as project completion time, budget adherence, and quality of deliverables. Additionally, I gather team feedback through surveys or discussions post-project to assess satisfaction levels and collaborative dynamics. Evaluating the achievement of predefined goals and objectives provides insights into the project's alignment with organizational strategies. Ultimately, a holistic approach that considers both outcomes and team experiences allows for a comprehensive assessment of success and areas for future improvement. Question 372. Describe your experience with cloud technologies and how they enhance team collaboration. My experience with cloud technologies, such as AWS and Azure, has significantly enhanced team collaboration by providing scalable resources and tools for real-time collaboration. Cloud-based platforms like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 facilitate document sharing and co-editing, allowing teams to work simultaneously regardless of location. Additionally, cloud services enable consistent access to development environments, reducing friction in testing and deployment. Leveraging infrastructure as code (IAC) further streamlines collaboration by allowing teams to version control and share infrastructure configurations. Overall, cloud technologies foster a more agile and responsive collaborative environment. Question 373. How do you approach troubleshooting issues that arise during a collaborative project? Troubleshooting issues during a collaborative project requires a systematic and collaborative approach. I begin by gathering the team to identify the problem, encouraging open discussion to understand various perspectives. We analyze the issue collectively, breaking it down into smaller components to pinpoint root causes. I facilitate brainstorming sessions to generate potential solutions, ensuring all voices are heard. Once we've identified a solution, we collaboratively implement it and monitor outcomes. Documenting the troubleshooting process and outcomes helps the team learn from challenges, preventing similar issues in the future and enhancing our collaborative resilience. Question 374. What methods do you use to encourage innovation and creativity within a team? To foster innovation and creativity, I create an environment that values experimentation and risk-taking. Encouraging team members to pursue side projects or innovation sprints allows them to explore new ideas without the pressure of immediate results. I implement brainstorming techniques such as design thinking workshops to stimulate creative thinking. Regularly celebrating successes and learning from failures reinforces a growth mindset. Additionally, providing access to resources such as training, tools, and external knowledge empowers team members to explore new technologies and methodologies. This approach ultimately cultivates a culture of innovation within the team. Question 375. How do you ensure that team roles and responsibilities are clearly defined? Clear definition of roles and responsibilities begins with a collaborative kickoff meeting where we discuss project objectives. I facilitate discussions to ensure each team member understands their strengths and how they can contribute. We create our ACI matrix, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, to outline expectations for each role. Regular check-ins help reinforce responsibilities and allow for adjustments as needed. I also encourage ongoing communication among team members to clarify tasks and address any overlaps or gaps in responsibilities. This structured approach promotes accountability and ensures everyone is aligned toward shared goals. Question 376. Discuss your experience with agile methodologies in facilitating team projects. My experience with agile methodologies has involved guiding teams through iterative development processes to enhance flexibility and responsiveness. I facilitate Scrum ceremonies, such as sprint planning and retrospectives, ensuring that the team remains focused on delivering value in manageable increments. I emphasize the importance of continuous feedback, allowing us to adapt to changing requirements swiftly. Additionally, I help teams use agile metrics like velocity and burn-down charts to assess performance and identify areas for improvement. By fostering a culture of collaboration and accountability, agile methodologies have significantly improved our project outcomes and team dynamics. Question 377. How do you incorporate stakeholder feedback into the collective work process? Incorporating stakeholder feedback begins with establishing clear channels for communication, ensuring stakeholders feel valued and heard. I regularly schedule check-ins and reviews to solicit their input on project progress and potential adjustments. During these interactions, I emphasize the importance of their feedback in shaping the direction of our work. I facilitate workshops where stakeholders can collaboratively brainstorm ideas with the team, fostering a sense of ownership. After gathering feedback, I ensure it is documented, prioritized, and integrated into our workflows. This inclusive approach enhances stakeholder engagement and ensures our work aligns with their expectations. Question 378. What strategies would you employ to foster collaboration among team members with differing technical backgrounds during a project? To foster collaboration among team members with varying technical backgrounds, I would implement a few key strategies. First, I would establish common goals and clarify project objectives to align everyone. Next, I would facilitate knowledge-sharing sessions where team members can present their expertise and insights. Utilizing collaborative tools like Slack or Confluence can also bridge gaps in understanding. Additionally, I would encourage cross-functional pair programming or joint problem-solving workshops to enhance teamwork. Regular retrospectives can help identify collaboration challenges and successes, allowing the team to adapt and improve continuously. Question 379. Describe how you would implement a CI/CD pipeline in a multi-cloud environment. Implementing a CI/CD pipeline in a multi-cloud environment involves several key steps. First, I would select a CI/CD tool that supports multiple cloud providers, like Jenkins or GitLab C, ensuring compatibility. Next, I would configure automated build and testing stages that trigger on code commits. Each cloud provider would have its specific deployment configurations, so I would create environment-specific scripts for provisioning and deployment through infrastructure as code, IAC, tools like Terraform. Additionally, I would integrate monitoring and alerting tools to track application performance post-deployment. Regular security assessments and compliance checks are vital to ensure the pipeline adheres to best practices across all cloud environments. Question 380. How would you address conflicts that arise within a team during a critical project phase? Addressing conflicts within a team requires a nuanced approach. Firstly, I would facilitate a safe space for open dialogue, allowing all parties to express their viewpoints without fear of retribution. Active listening is crucial. I would ensure each member feels heard and understood. Next, I would guide the discussion towards finding common ground and focusing on project goals rather than personal differences. If necessary, I would mediate to propose compromises or alternative solutions. Encouraging empathy can also help team members appreciate each other's perspectives. Following the resolution, I would document lessons learned to prevent similar conflicts in the future and enhance team cohesion. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks, before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.